Hey, what's going on YouTube? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Today's video, I'm going to be showcasing my beautiful setup. So this is the professional setup that I recommend for people who are just beginning, or if you're wanting to take this business full time. So this setup concludes of a soft wash system, a pressure washer, and some hose reels for our hose management. Now that's where we're going to go ahead and start today's video. Be sure to go ahead and like and subscribe if you like this new content styled video. I just got this new microphone in and I'm going to be using this a lot. We are in the process of recording my Pressure Wash Academy course, so that will be ready by the end of this month, and I can't wait for everybody to go ahead and check that out. But for now, I'm going to show you guys exactly what's on my setup currently and how I like everything. So to get started right here, let me go ahead and move this up. So what I'm in the process of doing is getting an aluminum skid, okay, from my local pressure washing store, and everything's going to be more organized. Okay, so this is going to be reeled down to an aluminum skid that will slide into the back of my truck, and I will keep you guys updated on how that looks. But for now, let's go ahead and talk about this setup. All right, so these are two Titan hose reels double stacked. All right, and this connects to my pressure washer. So what I did here is I unlocked it so I can go and I can pull directly, and then watch this. I can go ahead and pull up, boom, now everything is in line. Go ahead and lock this and we're done. Same thing here, okay? So here is my DN10 ball valve on my pressure washer. I have 200 feet of hose, and you can see here it's easy as that. Boom, and when I want to reel in, I just go like that, and I lock in right here. Boom, lock this in. All right. So what we have next is connecting to the power washer. We have our hose feed, and we have a water source, and we have a pressure hose source here as well. At the front of my truck bed, I always keep my gas can. Okay, this is a 5-gallon gas can, and I always keep it full for when I'm ready to do jobs. Next, let me get this out for you guys, is my 20-inch BE Whirl Away surface cleaner. Now, if you're interested in any of this equipment, all the links are down below in my Amazon shop, and on my current setup, I have that there as well, where you guys can go ahead and check out my setup exactly and go on to Amazon and purchase everything that I have here today. All right, so next, so here is my soft wash system. This is from pressuretech.com. It's an amazing setup. So we have 200 feet of hose on a hose reel. I'm not sure what brand this is. I bought this used off of somebody. So what we have here is our soft wash system. So you guys can see here, this is our Softwash Gun. This right here alone is a $38 piece, but this is an amazing system here for soft washing. Okay, again, let's see if I can get this in the camera. So back here we have our pump for our 12-volt system for our soft wash tank. Let me get these out of the way. Now, always keep some towels on hand. These chemicals can corrode your hands, and you don't want this stuff on your skin. I've got a bad burn here that I wish I would have protected myself. So always keep gloves in your glove compartment, and I have that. I'll show you guys inside the cabin here in a second. So always keep towels. Now here is my downstream line. Okay, this goes directly from my pressure washer directly into my tank, and this is to downstream. All right, this is some feed tube that I'm going to be connecting directly to my power washer from my aluminum skid. Now we also have in this buction is our suction hose. So this goes directly into our tank, which we have positioned back here. So this tank is strapped in. It's a 65-gallon tank. It is a chemical holding tank. Also back here, I've got my deep sea marine battery, okay? And that is to charge my Softwash system to keep that going. Now lastly, we've got our power washer here, so let me move this stuff out of the way. And if you guys have any questions about this, please leave a comment down below, and I'd love to hear your questions. So let's go ahead and move this here. All right. So if you guys can see right here, we've got my power washer, which is already pre-plumbed. And it's a 4-gallon per minute, 4,200 PSI. I leave this in the truck when I'm doing my job. You guys can see here that I've got it angled this way so it does not burn any of my truck like my buddy did here. So this can burn if it gets too close to any objects, okay, any plastic. So other than that, that's what we got going on. This is my best setup for people who have a truck and really just getting started out. This is a very affordable setup altogether. We're looking at maybe $3,000 total. So this is a great setup for anybody to go ahead and get started with. So let's go ahead and take a look inside about what I keep inside the truck. To wrap up this video, let me show you guys what we got inside the truck. So here, for YouTube purposes, I keep my tripod. Guys, this is linked down below. This is amazing for getting content for your pressure washing business. You need to be recording yourself doing these jobs and uploading that to get more business to your Facebook page, the Facebook groups, everywhere on social media. Okay, so this is very important. Also, I've got a phone holder here that holds my phone when I'm doing my tripod, but this one specifically is for my GoPro. Okay, and if you want a GoPro, things like that, that's also linked down in the description. Next is my gutter tool. This was custom built by a company here in Tampa, but it's rated for an 8 gallons per minute machine. 2 red tips on each side. You hook this up and you pop this in the gutter and it splashes them each way. This is a gutter cleaning tool. Next is my gun. So here is my gun combination. So I've got a Suttner gun. So it's not Suttner brand, but it's similar. And then I've got my wand here. So you guys can see this easily pops off. Boom, here's my gun. So let me show you guys my favorite attachment here. This is my turbo nozzle. So this right here is my favorite tool that I use on all my TikTok videos. Basically on every job I use this tool. I do sell these, so if anybody needs a turbo nozzle, you guys can go ahead and grab this at my pressure wash store. So that's pressurecleanstore.com. You can go ahead and grab this and a J-rod. All right. So next here is my Polyester Shirts. So on the back here I've got my phone number, but I order all these through UZ Marketing. I will leave their information in the description, but basically it just says pressure washing, my phone number, and that way I look professional on a job when I go do a job for a customer. All right, so another thing I do keep is my flyers. These are all my flyers, my door hangers. I get these again from UZ Marketing. They have the best price on the market, and I get my signs from them as well. It's $99 for 100 signs. All right, next is my gloves. So these are very, very, very important. You guys can see I've really damaged myself here. I'm not proud of that, but I was not wearing my gloves. Something very simple like this is going to save your skin, okay? Now here is my respirator mask. I always keep these on hand. These are very, very, very important. You do not want to hurt your lungs. All right. So I've got a few more things in here like tools, things like that, but you need your sunscreen. This is very, very, very important to protect your skin as well. And then your J-rod. This is the most important, pressure washing tool alongside the turbo nozzle. This is your downstreaming house wash tool. All right, so take a look at that. 4 different connections. This is a very, very, very powerful tool. This allows you to downstream and wash houses. All right, so let's put all this back. Now, last thing I want to show you guys is my boots. So you guys may be wondering where I get my boots from. These are fishing boots, Huck boots. These are meant to be out in the ocean. Really, really, really good boots. They've got amazing grip. These are meant for guys who fish, but in our industry, pressure washing, we also deal with a lot of water and walking on these roofs. These are an amazing way to keep your feet protected. I also wear high ankle socks, that way they don't rub, but I love these boots. They also make you look very professional. So that's it. That is my entire setup inside my truck and out. If you guys found some value in this video, please like this video. Also subscribe. We just hit 7,000 subscribers, and I can't wait to get to 10,000 next. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I am very happy to keep pushing out content like this for you guys. Let me know down below where you want me to, what kind of content you want me to make for you, and I also want to know where you guys are located. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Again, John Viet. I also have a free Facebook group. Go check that out, Pressure Wash Community. All the links are down in the description, and I hope everybody has a blessed day and can continue to have a successful week. Thanks, guys.